What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. KG here. I'm actually talking kind of quiet today because life update. I just had a baby about 5 days ago, so I've been pretty busy and preoccupied with that, but I haven't forgot about you guys and I want to make a video for you. So today we're going to be talking more about self-development, and a way to do that is to read books. And so I recently just read a book, and that is going to be The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. This book is really an easy read. I think I read this in a week, and usually a book takes me about 2 months to read. The moment I started reading it, I got right into it, and I loved every minute of reading this book. It's definitely one of those books, if you're into self-development and that sort of thing, you'll just start binging on it. And I was reading easily like 20 pages a day, and I loved it. The idea behind this book is turning simple decisions into massive success. Basically what that means is we all have to make decisions every day, and based on those decisions that we make, we're either going up or we're going down. And that could be in success, business, self-development, relationships, health, all that. To illustrate that a little bit further, what he's basically saying is the decisions we make are going to be compounded over time in either being successful or not being successful. He also uses a couple illustrations of like compounding a penny every day. So you have 1 penny, the next day you have 2 pennies, the next day you have 4 pennies, and basically talking about the power in compounding. And that seems like a very basic principle that all of us know, but it's a really good reminder of the decisions that we're making today, how are they going to be affecting us in the future. And that leads me to the next thing. He talks about time. We live in an instant gratifying world, right? We want things to be instant, we want it here right now. And the reminder here is that that's usually not how the world is going to work. If that's in your business, especially if that's in your health, right? Nobody just gets instantly fit overnight, right? In fact, Crystal and I get questions all the time about how are we healthy, how are we fit, and how do we look the way that we look. It's because we make little decisions every day, compounded over time, that keep us on the trajectory that we want to live. And talking about time, there's 3 phases that he talks about, and that is planting, and that is cultivating, and that is harvesting. And the factor that is going to determine that is time, right? Basically what he's saying is people don't put in enough time and effort to see the results because we're so wanting it to be instant. One of the best lines in this book, and also the biggest takeaway for me, is this, and that is the easy things to do are also the easy things not to do. And that's fairly applicable to any of our lives, right? Like say, I want to read 10 pages in this book every day, right? 10 pages is really not a lot. In fact, we can do that in like 10 to 15 minutes if we really wanted to, but a lot of us don't. In fact, Jeff Olson also recommends to read 10 pages a day of a successful type book. Another discipline that would be easy to do is go on a walk for 10-15 minutes a day, right? That's not that hard, but a lot of people decide not to do that, and the end result is they're not hitting their health goals, right? So this is a really impactful book, and I would say it's a really good reminder, because here's the thing, a lot of us have come across these principles or this philosophy of the slight edge, and that's making little decisions that will have big impact on you later. And for me, it was just a good reminder. It really brought me back to what I need to be doing, and that's making the little decisions every day that is going to grow me, grow my business, grow my fitness, grow my health, etc., grow my family, all that. So with that, guys, I definitely recommend this book, and I hope it helps you. And with that, have an awesome day.